Forward TV. The world is thinking.
Do you see the day when an avowed atheist might have other than a snowball's chance in hell of becoming president?
That's a great question. I do someday. I don't. I think it would be a very, very difficult. It would be very difficult right now. I work with an organization called the Pew Forum on Religion and Public Life, and we did a poll a few years ago, and it produced one of my favorite results. The same people were asked, basically, do you want a religious person as president? 70% said yes. And then there was another kind of agree-disagree question. I don't like it when politicians say how religious they are. 50% said yes to that. That meant that many of the people who wanted a religious president didn't want the candidate to talk about, give them information that would make them know how religious he or she is. And I think that for a lot of people, religious becomes a surrogate for morality. And I think there's a general view that someone who is religious may be somewhat more moral than someone else. I am personally not of the view that you have to be religious to be moral, but I think there is this sense in the public. But yet people are uneasy with too much religion in public, which is reflected in that 50% answer. And so I think it will happen someday. One of the fastest growing religious groups in the United States are the unaffiliated, the people who are either atheists, agnostics, or don't belong to a faith. A recent study by Pew found that group is about somewhere between 16 and 17% of the country. And now I don't think we are going to ever to become, as a country, as secular as Europe has become. That is, by the way, partly because of our First Amendment and our long history of not having an established church, which has been very good for religion in our country. So yes, I think it'll happen someday. But it will not happen in this election, since all the obvious candidates all claim rather strongly to believe in God.